We have no cold water in the house. All faucets kitchen, bath, including toilets, outside, are receiving only warm/hot water. What could be causing this? What needs to be done to correct it?
Anytime you have a single-handle kitchen, bath or shower valve faucet, this can happen. The way they work is by one handle mixing the hot and cold into one. When you turn on your sink or shower, if the cartridge goes bad, it will cross-feed into each other and you will have warm water in the whole house like what you are talking about. The way to find out which one it is, go to each sink one by one and go under the cabinet and turn off the valve under the sink. Then, turn off one sink at a time, then wait about a half hour and then go turn on a hose outside. If it's still warm after letting it run for a couple of minutes, then you will need to go try enough sink. Once you have found which valve is giving you the trouble, you can replace the cartridge and it will solve your problem.
Does this apply to the faucets that have both a hot handle and a cold handle? We have separate hot and cold handles in the bathrooms and they also have only hot water.
If you have a separate hot and cold faucet, then no. But if you have just one single handle bathroom sink faucet or kitchen faucet, it could cause this problem for the whole house.
If I discover that one of my single-handle faucets is causing this, where is the cartridge? Can I fix this, or do I need a plumber to fix this?
Well, you kinda need to know what you're doing. Each faucet is different and some are easier than others. The cartridge is where the cold and hot water mix. If you're handy and know a thing or two about plumbing, then go for it. But if not, then you are best to call a plumber. Go to each sink and go under it. Place your hand on the two pipes that feed the hot and cold water to the sink. If the one on the left is hot to the touch, then it's most likely that sink. It should only be hot when water is on, so if it's off and it's hot, then that's the one that is cross-feeding. A shower single-handle shower valve could also cause this, but you have a cross-feed going on somewhere at one of your faucets.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.